taking a picture.
Big Spencer. Oh!
Ricky.
Mommy, Harley's helping Big Spencer. But he can't pull Big Spencer.
Because?
Because he's too little.
You can try.
Can Rocky do it? Can Rocky do it?
Yes, Rocky could do it.
But I don't have Rocky.
You don't have Rocky? Are you going to work on getting Rocky?
Yeah, but Spencer's too heavy for Harley.
Alright, hey, if you don't make any accidents, then, you know, you can go get Rocky, okay?
That's when it's up to Harley and Spencer.
Okay, stop stopping your train.
Listen, look at the key tender. And stop. I don't know what I have to do with all of them. Bye. Listen, stop with that. Listen, stop with that little sister dead. Thomas, move to prison. But he could not do it. All the other engines were having fun, but Thomas was off the track. Thomas was off the track. Thomas off the track. Thomas off the track.
What is that stack of books? What is that? Where are they going now?
Thomas is off the track. And the other engines too are off the track.
Okay.
But Harvey, but Lil Mr. Buff it up to Harvey. They handed him a